Welcome back to All Quiz, your daily quiz channel for students across the USA. Today's quiz will test your knowledge, speed, and focus. Choose the correct answer, count your score, and let's begin. Don't forget to comment your final score below and subscribe to All Quiz for daily school quizzes. Let's go! Think you're ready? What is 245 plus 132? Awesome! The correct answer is 377. Let's keep going. What is 500 minus 185? Great job! The answer is 315. Multiplication challenge. What is 8 times 7? You got it! The answer is 56. Division time. What is 72 divided by 8? Correct! The answer is 9. Which number is the greatest? Take a close look before you choose. Nice work! The answer is 4,251. Place value challenge. What is the value of the digit 6 in 4,682? That's right, the answer is 600. Fraction fun. Which fraction is equal to 1/2? Excellent! The answer is 2/4. Geometry time. How many sides does a hexagon have? Correct! The answer is 6. Ready for multiplication? What is 36 times 5? Awesome! The answer is 180. Quick division. What is 144 divided by 12? Great job! The answer is 12. Which fraction is the largest? Think carefully. You got it! The answer is 2/3. Geometry challenge. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 9 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters? Correct! The answer is 26 centimeters. Rounding time. Round 4,678 to the nearest hundred. Nice work! The answer is 4,700. Time challenge. How many minutes are in 2 hours and 30 minutes? That's right! The answer is 150 minutes. Angle challenge. Which angle is smaller than 90 degrees? Excellent! The answer is an acute angle. Word problem time. Sarah has 24 cookies. She gives an equal number to each of her 6 friends. How many cookies does each friend get? Correct! The answer is 4 cookies. Math mix-up. What is 325 plus 478 minus 156? Great job! The answer is 647. Can you spot the odd one out? Which number is not a multiple of 9? You got it! The answer is 74. Mental math challenge. What is 7 times 9 minus 15? Correct! The answer is 48. A ribbon is 96 inches long. If each piece is 12 inches, how many pieces can you cut? Awesome! The answer is 8 pieces. Area challenge. What is the area of a rectangle that is 7 centimeters by 5 centimeters? That's right! The answer is 35 square centimeters. Decimal challenge. Which decimal is the greatest? Excellent! The answer is 0.65. Fraction check. Which fraction is equal to 3/6? Correct! The answer is 1/2. Ready for a bigger challenge? A store has 8 boxes with 24 pencils in each box. How many pencils are there altogether? Great work! The answer is 192. Subtraction time. What is 1,250 minus 487? Nice job! The answer is 763. Geometry challenge. A square has sides that are 11 centimeters long. What is its perimeter? Correct! The answer is 44 centimeters. Fraction showdown. Which fraction is the smallest? You got it! The answer is 3/8. Time to think. A movie starts at 3:25 p.m. and ends at 5:10 p.m. How long is the movie? Excellent! The answer is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Fill in the blank. 15 times what number equals 180? Correct! The answer is 12. Final challenge. Emily has $50. She buys a toy for $18 and a book for $15. How much money does she have left? Fantastic! The correct answer is $17.
Thanks for completing today's quiz. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below and let us know which grade or subject you want next. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe to All Quiz, and turn on notifications for more daily school quizzes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next quiz!